Okay, Money Magnets, we're going to drop you a gem today. We're going to give you a credit union that gives high limits like Navy Federal Credit Union, and bad credit is okay.
Look, this credit union was created for educators and teachers, but now anyone can join in the United States. All you have to do is look at this list of nonprofits, pay $20, and now you're eligible to become a member.
So stick around and let us show you how to get a $50,000 credit card with Apple Federal Credit Union.
All right, but let's start off with people who have maybe a thin credit file, no credit, or bad credit. They have what they call a credit builder card, which if you deposit anywhere from $250 to $5,000, you can actually start building credit with this card.
Most definitely, Marvin. And this is a great way to build a relationship with this bank. This bank has so many products to offer until it's a one-stop shop.
Yeah, and the amazing thing, you can pre-qualify for all the cards. So if you have a teenager or somebody 18 to 25, they can also sign up for the student card, which goes up to $1,500 credit limit.
And Marvin, we always talk about how important it is to start helping your kids build credit. You know, if they're a college student, I know for us, we started helping our kids build credit at an early age by putting them on our credit cards at age 14. So when we say this is a family credit union, this is a credit union where you can go and you can get yourself set up as well as your kids.
And look, parents, if you got a college student, this will be excellent to help them learn financial literacy and get them through college where they can actually build credit and be able to get loans without having a cosigner.
Now, this card goes up to $1,500 and it has a low APR.
All right, Gloria, let's jump into the bigger cards that if you have established credit.
So let's start off with the My Rewards card. This is a great card if you're looking to rebuild your credit. You know, sometimes we get stuck in these situations where our credit score is not as high. And this credit union is most definitely friendly with those who don't have such a high score. It is low credit score friendly. The My Reward card goes up to $5,000 and it has reward points. I am a big fan of reward points, Marvin. So you get 3 times the points on gas, you get 2 times the points on groceries, and 1 times the point on everything else.
So if you have a less than perfect credit score, either I would start with the credit builder or I would start with this My Rewards credit card because it could be a great card to help you start building towards their bigger cards. Now you got the educator card. This is one of my favorites. It goes up to $35,000. It is specifically made for educators and teachers. And one of the major benefits, it has low introductory rate. And for those 2 months in the summer that you guys are off, no payments.
That is amazing because we know a lot of times, Marvin, teachers struggle in the summer months because they don't get paid during that time. And this card would be a good card to float you during that time. And this card does have a high credit limit.
Exactly.
Now, for some of our more seasoned credit card holders, if you have cards that have a high balance and you're looking to transfer that balance and get a lower interest rate, well, this card is going to be the card for you. The Platinum card goes up to $35,000 and it has a low interest rate. So it's good for balance transfers. The only thing about this card, you don't get those reward points, but they're offering you a low interest rate. So that is much better than paying a high interest rate and getting points.
And this could be a card if you know you're going to make a high limit purchase or a big purchase, this will be the card to put that purchase on. Now, let's go into the Signature Rewards card. This is the big card that they have that everybody wants. It goes up to $50,000. And guess what? You can pre-qualify for it. It also has points. 3 times the points on gas, 2 times the points on grocery, 1 times the point on everything. And one of the major benefits, it has the 24/7 Visa Concierge.
This card reminds me so much of my American Express card.
Yeah.
Marvin and I just joined this credit union and I'm looking forward to building a relationship with this credit union. You know, this credit union is a one-stop shop, Marvin, where it offers so many different things from mortgages to car loans to high-limit credit cards, as well as it offers you insurance, Marvin.
And remember, we're not telling you to get these cards to get in debt. We're telling you to get these cards to build your credit. Keep raising your limit. Every 3 months, ask for an increase. And also remember, having big credit limits sets you up for business credit. And later on, we're going to make another video about the business side of Apple Credit Union.
Now let's jump right into the mortgages, Marvin. They have a first-time home buyer's loan where it gives you a low introductory rate and you don't have to put down a big down payment. This is a game changer for someone, especially for the young people, the millennials that's looking to purchase a home.
And look, when you get ready to buy a home, remember, you're going to want to have 2 pay stubs, 2 months bank statements, and 2 years taxes, and hopefully have a credit score over 680 to get the best rates.
And let's not forget, Marvin, this credit union offers you can apply right online. And when you apply online, they give you a pre-approval. We know how important when looking for a house, the realtor, the first thing they say is, do you have your pre-approval letter? Well, this credit union will let you apply online and it will give you your pre-approval right away.
And the mortgages go up to $3 million. Yes, I said $3 million. And for you seasoned home buyers, they have an adjustable rate mortgage, which I wouldn't suggest everyone do this, but if you're watching the market, you're watching the interest rates as far as the Fed adjusting it up or down, it's not bad to get an adjustable rate mortgage because you could catch the interest rates going down because you have to refinance every 5 years. Now, let's jump into the personal loan.
So they have a personal loan that goes up to $50,000. So if you're looking to get married or you're starting a business and you need a little bit of extra working capital for your business, or you need to do a big vacation, this will be the loan to get.
Look, and remember, for all our money magnets, you may have came to our webinar or maybe you're interested in getting in our challenge. We suggest this loan to help start your business if that's something that you're looking to do.
Okay, Marvin, I did not blink on this. This what really made me want to join the credit union is they have a car loan and it goes up to 84 months on new and used cars. If you're looking to buy a new car, you can have 7,500 miles on a new car and it still be considered brand spanking new, okay?
Wow.
You don't normally see that.
No.
And if you want a used car, it's 84 months. And it goes up to 100,000 miles, Marvin.
That's nice. And also, if you wanted to refinance the car, say you saw a great deal, you paid cash, and you want to refinance that car, they allow you to do that as well.
Man, this credit union has so many benefits, Marvin. I'm so glad that we joined, and I'm so glad that we started our relationship. And let me tell you this, when you're looking at all of these banks that Marvin and I are suggesting to you, you have to decide what's the best bank for you and your family. We're not saying to go out and join every bank that we talk about,
right,
but go through some of our older videos and see what bank best suits you and your family.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, wait till you see the next video. Check it out right here. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.